Ano bus natin, kuya?
4.
4. Ano seat natin?
4.
Oh, seat number.
19 to 20.
Yay! Galing ni kuya. Hi first.
Hi.
Hi. Say good morning, Teacher Lara. Wala na si Daddy? Umalis na? Ay, umalis na si Daddy.
Once na.
Umalis na. Hold on si Mami.
I believe.
Are you excited, kuya? Okay, give it to us. Yay! Thank you. Wow! Okay, let's go. Good job, kuya. Come here. Wow, galing na. Uy. Say hi.
Falling, you look away while I'm falling. You take your time while I'm calling. Oh, what a way to waste my time, but never mind, 'cause I'm falling from the start of
Mommy and Daddy. Say hi.
say it. Oh, what a way to break your heart, but whatever, 'cause I know it doesn't matter. 'Cause I
Kuya. Kuya.
still get anxious when I see you near. And my hands feel heavy, but they don't belong on my body.
Yay!
You
Go, kuya.
Hey, there's another
doing to me.
Go na, kuya.
One second I'm fine, then I'm down on my knees. It's annoying, so annoying.
Let's open it. Oh, wait lang pag may umalis na. Let's wait for our turn. Finish na. Okay, go. Dami.
Dan, baka
Careful, kuya. Ito, kuya, dami. Dami dun, oh. Wow.
There's the people na daw leaving a picture, guys.
More.
Don't throw the plastic.
Oops. Don't throw the plastic.
It's good if all.
Oh, dun din, kuya. Dami pa dun, oh.
Let the plastic,
And last na. Last na.
Yes.
Wow.
Jump.
Ano, yummy? Yes. Na-hungry na si kuya. Go, kuya!
Ayan, so careful lang po tayo.
Wow! Galing ni kuya! Hi! Say hi! Wow! Galing oh! Gumagalaw oh! Bili si Kuya ng ice cream. Thank you. Here you go, Kuya. And mommy then, I have Kit Kat. Thank you. May tissue kayo?
falling. You look away while I'm falling. You take your time while I'm calling. Oh, what a way to waste my time, but never mind.
Yuki's Farm na si Kuya Ma'am.
From the start, I was all in, with a heart about to trying to say it. Oh, what a way to break your heart, but whatever, 'cause I know it doesn't matter.
It's too big. Wow! Ooh, laki. Here pa Kuya, here. Sa kabila pa Kuya. Here, oh. Wow! Ay, look kaya pala. Laki Kuya, no? Laki na, oh. Super laki, no? Ay, Kuya, may stingray, oh. Yun, oh. Stingray! There, oh. Wow! Galing, no? Oo nga, eh. Tusok-tusok yung hair niya, no? Oh.
Dito dito mas malaki sa'yo.
Mas malaki sa akin. Grabe. Ay, peacock ko na. Bakit sa peacock?
Bigla.
Ay, mapeacock ka lang.
Peacock.
Ika, tingnan natin dun. Baka may mas malapit. Hello. Bye-bye. Hello.
Daddy.
Si Daddy. Si Daddy. Angry siya. Kuya, angry. Dapat mag-picture po kayo, wag lang What's that? It's an eagle. Ang cute ng eagle, no?
Look, there's another one.
Ayun, nasa taas ng tree. Hello.
Not only does athletics give you small and warm children, it also provides us with
Laki po. Ay! Here po, oh. Oh, hello.
Isa, dig mo nga.
Ang habo. Ayun pa sa taas. Ang laki. Ay, oh. Hello. Hello. Ang laki. Hindi, no? Sa taas, oh. It's too big. No, kuya? It's too big. Look mo, kuya. Lo. Laki. Happy ka?
Kasi kasi kayo mga nalagay.
Naman, mga plants. Here, oh. Zebra and ostrich. May sheep. Ano pa? Ostrich. Zebra. Horse. What else? Where's the zebra? Oh, come here, come here.
Tortoise. Little tortoise.
Bakit ang tawa ng chicken? Laki kuya, no?
O, doon pa dalawa. Doon pa.
Ayun pa, mayroon din doon. Ayun pa, ang dami pa pala doon. Hello. Oh, yun. Nag-hello siya, oh. Hello.
Dito tayo.
Hello.
Punta sa akin.
Hello. Hello, puta kay kuya. Say hi. Hello. Saan? Saan? Saan si Daddy? Saan? Di ko kita. Ay, ayun. Hi, Daddy. O, picture ka kay Daddy. Hello! Kuya, may nabili na. Magkano daw yan, kuya? Magkano daw yan? 100. Galing ah. Careful ah. Careful. Kuya, hold mommy's hands first. Hold mommy. Mukhang mag-slide si kuya. Be careful ah.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac.
We have another picture, oh. Gusto daw ni kuya yung picture namin. Nalagay mo sa room mo?
Ghost to ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me. And she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time.
Kuya, kuya, kuya ma'am, give it. Hello, bayad po. Yay, oh, let's go.
Ito na naman mo.
Wow, butterfly.
Uy, sila mo sa
Where's the butterflies? Ayun.
Come here.
Hello.
Hello, butterflies.
Wow, ang dami kuya. Hello. Ito ang ganda kuya, oh.
Process ng butterfly. Which is nag-start sila sa egg. Ganito lang kaliit yung mga butterflies egg.
Ay, tingnan natin doon po. Tingnan
Ito
natin.
caterpillar.
Wow.
Noon, slow kasi ang fertilization process ng butterfly. That's why it takes 48 hours or 2 days. Now, okay, now I will show you the egg and caterpillar if you're not afraid. Okay, next. Proceed na po kayo sa pupal station.
Sit down ka doon. Sit down ka doon.
About yeast. Okay? After butterfly, identify naman tayo. Okay? I-photograph rin everyone.
Bumili tayo ng pang-feed. Carrots is for rabbits. Excited ka na? Are you excited? Pakain ikaw?
Ang pellets mo sa feathered animals.
Yung pellets sa feathered animals.
Tayo mo.
Wow!
Sige po, forward tayo po dito.
Oh, come here, Mano.
Mas po yan sila.
Come here, kuya, come on. Go, go, go! Ay, baka lalabas siya. Oh, go, pasok ka doon, kuya. Wow!
Sige, ate, doon ka pa.
Sige, kuya. Ayun na, ayun na.
Yan, like that lang, see?
Wow! Galing naman ni kuya. Oh, kuya, smile! Dito pa, dito. Yun o. Good job, Kuya. Sige mo yung dulo, Kuya, yung dulo. Oh, hinagaw na. Okay, very good. This one naman sa horse. Ayun na yung horse. Yan. Galing naman ni Kuya. Apap mo, apap. Yung pig, carrots daw sa pig eh. Wala na tayo carrots eh. Ayan, bigay mo ulit. Iwan mo na yan. Kukunin niya na yan. Ayun. Wow. Dito sa kanya, oh. Throw ka dito. Dah. Dah. Yun, yan. Sige, ganyan. Tama yan. O, throw mo na. Hey, go. Wow, good job. Okay, you put it here. Good job. Let's go. Nung bata pa mami, daddy, dito kami lagi. Ayun.
Pagkasabog yung bigla.
Hindi naman daw eh. Oh, ayun o, ganda no?
Kaya, abasa mo, ang putok sa, alam mo si wife ang putok.
Opo, baka bigla pumutok mo. Grabe, iba na yung itsura ng picnic grove.
Iba na.
Dati hindi ganito yung itsura nun eh. Maganda na pala ngayon.
Laki. Laki.
Laki nga. Dati wala pa ganito to eh. Ayun, tapos dyan kami kumakain, sa mga, sa mga hut. Ayun dyan kami na kumakain. Oh, bye-bye bubbles. Galing, no? Volcano. Ayaw mo mag-picture? Ayaw? Okay, ayun yung airplane, no? May airplane dun, no? Ayun, airplane, ayun, no? Okay, let's go na. At least nakita mo na, no? Nakita mo na. Ay, picture. This one. Gusto mo? Bila natin si Matma. Po.
Gusto ko dalawa. Bakit to? Bakit mo to?
Oo, hindi. Ganito na kay Matma to.
Dito sa akin to.
Gusto mo yan? Bumili si Kuya, pasalubong kay Matmat. Sabi ni Kuya, bilan daw ng pasalubong si Matmat. Wow, happy siya. Wow, dami.